Hello peeps. You afraid of artificial intelligence? Well, you should be. There's a guy who just wrote a book, Scary Smart. He predicted that in 2029, not so far away, that artificial intelligence will equal, if not surpass, our intelligence. Think about that. And if that doesn't scare you enough, he then predicted that, I think it was 2045, that artificial intelligence will surpass our intelligence 1 billion times. Yes, you heard that right. Now, if that doesn't scare the SHIT out of you, I don't know what will. Why the heck am I scaring you? I want you to be free of fear, not add to it. Because we don't have to worry about that. Some might. I always say, you've heard me say before, that intelligence is a tool. And so if you're identifying yourself with your intelligence, you're a tool. But we're not. We're not our intelligence, regardless of what some people might have you think. We are not our intelligence. You don't have to worry about that. We've got an inner GPS. And the inner GPS is connected to everything. It's connected to our source, infinite intelligence. And how do we do that? How do we connect to that? Well, I'm going to show you on my little walk. You see, you don't have to do crazy meditation. When I say crazy, I'm not saying meditation is not good, but a lot of people get so fixated on they have to meditate, it stresses them out more than if they didn't meditate. Well, that defeats the object. Remember, meditation is what we're talking about. And you can be in meditation while you're walking. Let's do it. Inhale through your nose. And exhale through your nose. You might just notice, if you're not a nose breather, just doing that is going to put you into a parasympathetic state, your rest and digest state, right? That by itself will help. Now, as you breathe in through your nose, breathe into your heart. And you can place your hand on your heart if you can. And what this does is it brings that attention. Wherever your hand goes, wherever your touch is, it will bring your attention to it. That's it. So you're breathing into your heart, and you breathe in, fill your heart and lungs. And as you breathe out, let that heart breath go to every cell in your body. That's great. And now think of something you're grateful for. Could be anything. Don't overthink it. It could be a dog, it could be a cat, it could be your partner or whatever it is. Whatever, it doesn't have to be a person, it could be a car. It doesn't matter. Just think of something you're grateful for. And feel that gratitude. That's it. Let that feeling go through your entire body. Just lock it in. Lock in that feeling so you can feel it so solidly. And that's it. Now we can expand on that, and I will in different videos and so on. But this is the key. Start to practice this. Start to practice this on a regular basis. And what you will find is that you will eventually start to be able to ask questions, and you'll get the answers pretty much immediately. Listen, we are not our intelligence. You don't have to worry about that. We're so much more than that. Let me know how you get on. Take care.